everyone, it's Louise with Louise McCare, and welcome to the channel. And really quick here, I'm going to dive right in a second. But what I've got here is a piece of wood that I scrounged from a salvage store for like $1. Had my friend up the street cut it down to size, and I've taped the back. I primed and varnished the top, and I have this tray that I bought at a Goodwill for $2. So this tray goes with the other spinner that I just did in another video. So I'm going to have a spinner and a tray combination with this color palette. So let me get started. I'm going to pour out a bloom. Whoops. Whoa, I almost spilled it. Holy cats. Let's see, is the camera good? Let's see. Okay, I think you guys are good. I feel like you're a little crooked. There we go. All right, let's get going here. Now, I was a little bit stingy on the last pour for the pillow, but I like the way it all worked. So I'm going to be stingy again. Let's just spread out the pillow a little bit. Let's get it centered. Spread it out, and then we'll get the colors down. I'll call the colors as I go. Okay, I'm not going to put any extra pillow paint in the middle. You know what? I am going to. Just have a little extra flow from the center. Okay. All right, my colors. Got my 24 karat gold. It's rather thick-ish today because the paints are kind of getting old. The more they sit, the thicker they're going to become. Get that bubble out of there. Hello. Okay, there we go. Yay, got the bubble. All right, that's the gold. Next color is a combination of Arteza's Pearl Sky Blue and Sapphire by DecoArt. There's the consistency. It's about a 2 to 3 second trace, which is usually what I like to go for. That's what I find works for me. All right, now I've got, this is my Art Minds combination with Oxide White by Glidden. Oxide White and the Antigua. Antique Antigua. And Oxide, I'm sorry, I keep saying Oxide White, it's Zinc White. The Zinc White is transparent, which is what I was trying to get this opacity more transparent. Okay, pink. That is Prizm Pours, Pink Diamond. Next, we've got Payne's Gray by Glidden. I think I've got way too much paint. So what do? I keep putting more down. Hello. And last but not least is my Artist's Loft blue, is it metallic blue? All right, got my cell activator, which is my American Floetrol. Sorry about that. My American Floetrol cell activator recipe. Oh, I just spilled half of it. Okay, that was my black. Okay, here's the white. All right, and now I have my spilled black. That's Oxide black and titanium white. All right, no concentrator, high and cool. Stop with that. Good balance on that one. Okay, let me spread some of this. So I'm going to pick up the pace here and also skip cut ahead. And now I'm just making sure to get my sides. I have to spin it very slowly and carefully. Get my slop bucket. Negative space on this one is just a fantasy. It's not happening. It's already too late. All right. Try to get this off a little bit. Looking good. These colors are gorgeous together. I'll be cleaning up, so I'll probably skip ahead here. Wow, those cells in the middle are fabulous. Okay, let's see how much paint I've got in the middle. I might be done. I might be done. Just dip it in the center into the cell activator so nobody could see. That's all the color I've got. It's a 32nd of an inch. I think that's good. I think we're good. I think we're done. I'm gonna clean it up some more. I'll do a flyover when I'm done. I still was able to keep a little bit of negative space. Got some here and a little tiny baby piece right there. These two are gonna look spectacular together. I don't even have to do anything to this one. Oh my gosh. Okay. Thank you for tuning in, guys. I'll get you a flyover in a second, and man, I love these. All right, I'll be back. So everyone, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed the video, and this is really a part 2 from this one that I released on Thursday. This was video 200, and I'm gonna link it at the end of this video. But these two, coming from scrap yards and Goodwill, turned into some pretty nice pieces that go together. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, hit the bell, comment, thumbs up, share, all that good stuff, and we'll see you next time. Take care, everybody.